Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get free courses on Udemy. Just like how I did here, I got 2 free courses. It's very simple. Come here to udemy.com and search for any course you want on any topic, or you can choose from one of their different topics here. Let's say we want a topic, course on sales, right? So here, under business, you come and click on sales. If you want something in a business strategy, you can pick that as well, whatever you want. Now here, you'll see the different courses available. What I need you to do though, is come here. So we're going to be filtering this. So on the left-hand panel, you'll see price. I want you to go and click on this. And here we have 2 options, paid and free. I want you to toggle on free. And now you'll see all of the free courses. So let's see what we would like. All right. Business growth quick start course. This one looks good. So we'll go ahead and click on this. And you can view this further and see what you'll learn exactly, what the course content will be. There's reviews, you can see that, and who the instructor is. Okay, this one seems reasonable. Okay, he has a good amount of students, 6 reviews, good rating. All right, so we can just click on enroll now. As you can see, it is completely free. It's a free tutorial. And on this page, you can go ahead and click on start course. And now you can begin learning the course, one content at a time. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple.